Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, we're going to be going over the P&L section. So to get to this section, just press up top here on P&L and you'll get directed to this page. So the P&L section allows you to get a recap on all your trades and calculate your taxes so that you know more or less how much you're going to have to pay in taxes for those trades. This is not a financial tool. This is not a tax tool, an official tax tool. Make sure you use this data to help you do your taxes with an accountant, but do not use any of this data to report your taxes. Always make sure you double check with an accountant. And ultimately, this data is useful so that you can, bring something to your accountant to then help you do taxes on your NFTs. So let's get started. First of all, we can choose our time frame. We can choose by custom range, year or quarter. For example, if we choose a custom range between last year, for example, and this year, and then we confirm, we'll get all the recap of our trades in this time frame. There we go. So these are all the trades we did in that time frame, and this is a recap: total spent, total sold, taxes owed, net P&L. So first of all, to set our tax settings, just press on this button and this box will pop up. We can select if we want to be taxed on net or gross value. This may seem weird if you're in a country like the United States, but in Italy, for example, we have certain tax brackets where you get taxed on the gross value. So after that, you can set your tax percentage. So for example, say 40%. Then we can choose to apply long-term and short-term capital gains. In this case, if we toggle it on, tax will be the short-term capital gain tax, and then we can set what is our long-term capital gain tax, for example, 20%, and long-term capital gain tax percentage will get applied on trades that lasted for more than a year. Then after that, we have the currency. We can choose to display the value in ETH or USD. And then we can also have tax loss harvesting or not. Applying tax loss harvesting will allow us to use losses to offset the gains, and so we'll get a lower tax bill. We can choose to toggle this on or off. If we toggle it off, we'll get the final taxes owed will be the sum of all the individual taxes in the trades, so that the losses don't get counted, and we don't get a discount from the losses. So then we confirm, and these settings will be saved in your local computer. So as we can see up top here, we have the recap. We have this export data button, which if pressed will export a CSV, so an Excel sheet of all the trades selected in the time frame. In terms of time frame, we can also use yearly. So maybe, for example, you want to calculate your taxes on a yearly basis, you can use, for example, 2022, and then hit confirm. And all your trades for 2022 will then load. After that, underneath we have a specific on each of all our trades. Here we have the NFT, the type of transaction it was. If we press on it, it'll get redirected to the item section. Then we have the paid value, sold value, fees. If we hover on the fees, we'll get a small tooltip explaining all the different fees. We have royalty fees, platform fees, which is marketplace fees, approval fees, and then mint fees. So the fees to either buy the NFT, the gas fees to either buy the NFT or mint it. Then we have our net P&L, how long the trade lasted, gross profit, and then taxes owed on the single trade. So the gross profit in this case, as you can see, what it says is it's the listed value minus creator royalties and marketplace fees. So the gross profit is what effectively enters your wallets after selling an NFT. And so then underneath we have all the recap of our trades, and going on we'll get about 10 trades a page, and we can go on and see all our trades. That was the P&L section. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next one.